Welcome to an introduction to exponents and powers. We're going to explore how to express numbers efficiently using exponential notation. In this video, we will learn about exponents, powers, and scientific notation. Some examples of exponents and powers are 2 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 6, and 3.2 times 10 to the power of 5. What exactly is an exponent? An exponent tells us how many times to multiply a number by itself. For example, 5 to the power of 4. In this example, the base is 5 and the exponent is 4. Let's break down 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. Let's understand 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6 equals 1 million. So, 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million. Here's a pattern involving powers of 10. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. What is scientific notation? It's a way to express very large or very small numbers efficiently. The formula for scientific notation is a times 10 to the power of n, where a is the coefficient, a number between 1 and 9, and n is the exponent. Let's look at some examples of scientific notation. The standard number 320,000 can be written in scientific notation as 3.2 times 10 to the power of 5. The standard number 0.0045 can be written in scientific notation as 4.5 times 10 to the power of -3. Why should we use exponents in scientific notation? There are several benefits. First, it provides efficiency, allowing you to write large numbers quickly and clearly. Second, it is essential for various scientific fields like physics, chemistry, and astronomy. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.